Hey everyone, this is Ben and welcome to another video. This time around I'm continuing to talk about the animal kingdom, beginning with the group of animals without backbones themselves, the invertebrates. And the groups of invertebrates that I'm going to talk to you about today are going to be very unique and very simple looking creatures. And these creatures are sponges. When you think of invertebrate groups, you often think of the ones that do have legs in their bodies. But sponges, like the ones we're going to talk about, are the different kind of animals that do not have legs for moving around at all, making them vastly different from other creatures. And so, sit back, relax, and get invested in this video as I take you in an underwater tour of one of the most interesting creatures of all. Prepare to be amazed as I take you into the world of sponges. There are those of you who are wondering, what are sponges? Well, I'll tell you all about that. Sponges are a group of animals called invertebrates, animals without backbones, and they belong in the phylum Porphyria. The Greek word comes from the term porous skin, named after their unique-looking skin textures. Sponges are one of the largest and abundant group of invertebrates. They are found in almost every ocean habitat, from the tropical marine environments to freshwater rivers. Unlike most other animals that are considered land dwellers, sponges are a unique group of animals that are marine creatures. They are characterized without limbs and lack the ability to breathe in air. This ability to survive makes sponges one of the most unique and successful group of organisms in the world. Sponges appeared in the fossil record 540 million years ago, during the Cambrian period, a time when the Cambrian explosion filled life with huge diversity. At that time, sponges were among the first animals to appear in the fossil record. As the Paleozoic progressed, they became even more diverse and widespread. By the Mesozoic era, sponges in their prehistoric forms continued their amazing diversity and evolution. By the Cenozoic times, during the time of the Paleogene to the Miocene, sponges became even more diverse and abundant. And eventually, there were some that evolved into the modern day species. Today's sponges are still very unique and are very different from their prehistoric ancestors of long ago. Now I'm going to show you another cool trait about sponges. Their amazing and unique looking body features. Sponges have one of the most interesting body features in the animal kingdom. One of their distinctive traits is that they lack legs for moving around, as well as complex eyes and mouths. So in order to do such a thing, such as like feeding, sponges simply suck it up through their particles. They breathe in a different way compared to most other animals. Some species of sponges are so big that even human divers can fit in it, while some are more smaller than a human hand. Their abundance and sheer amazing characteristics make them very interesting among all the animal kingdom. Sponges are an adaptable group of animals and can be found in a wide variety of ocean habitats. They live in the polar oceans to tropical oceans, all the way to the freshwater rivers. Their adaptation makes them very interesting among all the different animals. Their ability to adapt to all kinds of ocean environments makes sponges one of the most interesting and unique group of animals. Now I'm going to talk to you about another cool trait that sponges have, and that is their diet and ecology. Sponges eat a wide variety of different organisms. They feed on organisms that live in the sea. How they do that is that they suck it up through their tube-like structure, which enables them to get a good access to feeding. Sponges also play an important role in the ecology of their ecosystem. By feeding on other organisms, it creates a healthy balance. This enables these creatures to really adapt to their environment. Sponges have a wide variety of different defenses, and they do that to protect themselves from many kinds of ocean predators. And there are some species that can cause so much pain to humans that when they try to touch them, it causes irritation to the skin. And although sponges are very unique in their defenses, they are also quite vulnerable. Some fish, along with sea turtles, were known to eat them, and they have been known to eat them as a tasty meal. Their different defense strategies and trying to survive predators make sponges very unique in the animal kingdom. Sponges reproduce in a variety of different ways, which can vary by species. Some do sexual reproduction, and others do an asexual reproduction. No matter the different types, all sponges as larvae start out very small, and throughout the stages of their life, they have to keep eating in order to grow. When they eventually grow, they become full-sized adults. This ability to do different methods of reproduction and develop into adults do make sponges one of the most unique group of animals, and it makes them extraordinary survivors. Sponges are in danger in the oceans for many reasons. Global warming and their marine environments are the only things that happen, but some people that often hunt them tend to destroy them for many different reasons, creating harm to their habitat. Luckily, with conservation efforts, there is a lot of room to save them in their natural world. Scientists that study sponges will learn a bit more about these creatures so that they can save these species from going extinct in order to assure their survival in the wild. Well, that about wraps up the video talking about sponges. I hope you all liked this video of what I've talked about in those amazing invertebrates. And if you really enjoyed that video, feel free to like, comment, and/or subscribe, and stay tuned. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope this video was worth watching. And as always, until next time, I'll see you later. See ya.